Want to live life on your own terms? Imagine waking up every day with the freedom to choose how you spend your time, without financial worries holding you back. Financial freedom is the key. It's the gateway to living a life full of possibilities and opportunities. It's not about being a millionaire overnight. True financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. It's about making smart choices today for a brighter tomorrow. Every small decision you make now can have a big impact on your future. Investing early is like planting a seed. Just as a seed needs time to grow, so does your money. The earlier you plant, the more time it has to grow into a mighty tree. Patience and consistency are your best allies. Think of it like this. You're in a marathon, not a sprint. Financial freedom requires endurance and a long-term perspective. Slow, steady steps will get you to the finish line. It's about maintaining a steady pace and not getting discouraged by short-term setbacks. Investing early gives your money that extra runway to grow exponentially. Compound interest works its magic over time, turning small investments into substantial wealth. It's the single most powerful decision you can make for your financial future. Taking that first step can set you on a path to financial independence. So, are you ready to take charge of your financial destiny? The journey may be long, but the rewards are worth it. Let's dive into the world of early investing and see how it can transform your life. Knowledge is power, and understanding your options is the first step. Remember, the best time to invest was yesterday. But don't worry if you missed that chance. The next best time is now. Start today, and watch your financial future flourish. Compounding is like magic, but instead of wands, it uses time and consistent investment. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it rolls, it picks up more snow, growing bigger and bigger. That's compounding in action. When you invest early, your money earns returns. But it doesn't stop there. Those returns then start earning returns of their own. This cycle continues year after year, creating a snowball effect that grows your wealth exponentially. The longer your money compounds, the more powerful the effect. That's why starting early is crucial. You give your money the time it needs to work its magic. Ready to unleash the power of compounding? Let's see how it works in a real-life scenario. Meet Anya, a 25-year-old who's decided to take control of her finances. She's heard about the power of compounding and wants to start investing early. Anya sets a goal to accumulate 1 crore rupees by the time she turns 60. She chooses to invest in mutual funds, a diversified investment option that pools money from various investors to invest in a basket of stocks, bonds, or other assets. Anya decides to invest 5,000 rupees every month. This may seem like a small amount, but remember, consistency is key. Starting early allows Anya to harness the magic of compounding. Let's see how her investment grows over time. Anya starts her investment journey at 25, investing 5,000 rupees monthly in a well-diversified mutual fund portfolio. Assuming a conservative average annual return of 12%, let's see how her investment snowballs over 35 years. In the initial years, the growth seems slow, but as time progresses, the power of compounding kicks in. Her returns start generating their own returns, accelerating the growth of her investment. By age 40, Anya's investment crosses the 50 lakh rupees mark. The graph clearly shows the snowball effect. What started as a small monthly investment has transformed into a substantial sum. Section 5. Visualizing your future. The Rs 1 crore dream. As Anya enters her 50s, the magic of compounding becomes even more evident. The snowball continues to grow, fueled by her consistent investments and the power of time. Her investment, which once seemed like a distant dream, is now within reach. By age 60, Anya's investment surpasses her goal of Rs 1 crore, reaching a remarkable Rs 3 crore. Remember, this is just an example. The actual returns may vary depending on market conditions and the specific mutual funds chosen. However, the principle remains the same. Starting early and staying invested can lead to significant wealth accumulation over time. Section 6. Don't let time be your enemy. Start investing now. The journey to financial freedom begins with a single step. Don't let procrastination hold you back. Time is your greatest asset when it comes to investing. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Don't wait for the right time or until you have a large sum to invest. Even small amounts invested consistently can make a world of difference. Remember Anya? She started with just Rs 5,000 a month. You can do it too. Take that first step towards securing your financial future. Start investing today, and let the magic of compounding work its wonders. Section 7. Mutual funds, your gateway to steady growth. Mutual funds are a cornerstone of modern investing, offering a pathway to financial growth and stability. Mutual funds are an excellent option for new investors. They provide a structured and guided approach to investing, making it easier for those who are just starting their financial journey. They offer a simple and accessible way to invest in a diversified portfolio of assets without needing to be a financial expert. This means you can start investing with confidence, knowing that your money is being managed wisely. When you invest in a mutual fund, your money is pooled with that of other investors. This pooling of resources allows for greater investment opportunities and access to a wider range of assets. This collective sum is then invested in a variety of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and money market instruments, providing a balanced approach to investing. Based on the fund's investment objectives, each mutual fund has a specific goal, whether it's growth, income, or a balance of both, allowing you to choose one that aligns with your financial goals. This diversification helps spread your risk, as the performance of a single asset is less likely to impact your overall portfolio significantly. By spreading investments across various assets, mutual funds aim to provide more stable returns. Mutual funds are managed by professional fund managers who make investment decisions on behalf of the investors. These experts analyze market trends, economic data, and individual securities to make informed decisions. This relieves you from the burden of constantly monitoring market movements and making individual investment choices. With mutual funds, you can enjoy peace of mind, knowing that your investments are in capable hands, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your life. Section 8. Diversification, spreading your wings for safety. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your investments is crucial for managing risk. Mutual funds make diversification easy. They invest in a variety of assets, reducing the impact of any single asset's poor performance on your overall portfolio. Think of it like building a strong house. You need a strong foundation, sturdy walls, and a reliable roof. Similarly, a well-diversified portfolio should have a mix of different asset classes, each playing a crucial role in providing stability and growth potential. By diversifying your investments across different asset classes, sectors, and geographies, you create a more resilient portfolio that can weather market fluctuations and generate consistent returns over the long term. Section 9. Professional management. Let experts handle your investments. In today's fast-paced financial world, making the right investment decisions can be daunting. Don't feel overwhelmed by the complexities of the financial market. The constant fluctuations and vast amount of information can be stressful and confusing. With mutual funds, you don't have to be an expert to invest wisely. These funds are designed to simplify the investment process for you. Professional fund managers with years of experience handle the investment decisions for you. They bring a wealth of knowledge and expertise to the table. They research, analyze, and select the best assets to include in the fund's portfolio based on its investment objective. This rigorous process ensures that your investments are well managed. These experts constantly monitor market trends, economic indicators, and company performance to make informed investment decisions. Their continuous vigilance helps in adapting to market changes swiftly. Their expertise and experience can help you navigate market volatility and potentially achieve your financial goals. They provide valuable insights and strategies tailored to your needs. By investing in mutual funds, you benefit from the knowledge and expertise of these professionals, giving you peace of mind, knowing that your investments are in capable hands. This collaborative approach ensures that your financial future is secure and promising. Section 10. Your reward awaits. Claim your Rs21000 bonus. Congratulations! You've reached the end of this insightful journey into the world of early investing. As a special reward for your commitment to securing your financial future, we're offering you a chance to claim a Rs21000 bonus. That's right. Simply follow these easy steps. 1. Take a screenshot of this page as proof of completing the essay. 2. Send the screenshot to our WhatsApp number. Provide WhatsApp number. 3. Our team will verify your submission and guide you on claiming your bonus. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Claim your Rs21000 bonus today and start your financial journey on a high note. Section 11. Unlock financial success. Get your free calculators now. Ready to take control of your finances and make informed investment decisions? We're here to help. As a bonus, we're giving you access to 10 free financial calculators that will empower you to plan your investments wisely. These calculators will help you calculate your retirement corpus, determine your monthly investment needs, estimate your loan EMIs, and much more. To access these invaluable tools, simply follow these steps. 1. Send a message to our WhatsApp number. Provide WhatsApp number with the code CalculatorMagic. 2. Our team will provide you with a link to download the calculators for free. Don't wait. Get your free financial calculators now and unlock the secrets to financial success.